bow staff wins. Or does it?
How's it going, bros? Today we're going to build a Century Bob opponent bag. Basically a practice dummy for martial arts. Bob back and I can hit it again. And if I hit it with a full strike with my bow staff, maybe I'll knock it over. It'd be a nice little training, sparring dummy that bobs. I want to try to do that. First, one thing you're going to need is a tire, a plastic wrap, electrical tape, 2x4s, screws. I got these little plates. This might help. I think I'll use them. I bought a bunch of them at the dollar store. The cardboard, any kind of like old clothing even. I gotta get some kind of frame inside here. The inside diameter of the tire is 22 inches. I can't fit a 22-inch 2x in there, so I'm going with 16-inch 2x4s on either side. Just screw them in. I just want to check to see if the two pieces I put in here are parallel. To double check on that. Yeah, a little bit heavy of 1 foot. That's pretty good. Alright, next we're going to cut 4 1-footers. Alright, hold this to this corner tight so it hits on the tire right here. Hold it. Let it touch the ground. Screw that baby in. Grandpa always said, don't nail what you can't nail. I'm gonna have to go on an angle. Check it, see if I put them on square. I have faith in myself. Just hold it square up. I'm gonna put 2 more pieces over here. I'm gonna make sure a 2x can fit between, and that 2x4 is going to be 14 3/4. I just measured the inside of the tire so that's tight inside there. I went with 14 3/4. That's the diameter of the inside part of this ridge on the tire. And this is like pallet wood and it's good. Doesn't split. I'm gonna build a shed with all this wood I've been trash picking and collecting this winter. It's gonna be a solid base. I just wanted it to be tight right there. It's important for these pieces to sandwich this tight. So I put a toenail in right there. Might do the same right here. Toe screw. That is heavy, so let's not go crazy. I want this thing to stand about 6 foot off the ground. Let's put a 6-footer. This is close enough. First, find the center of this piece of wood. 14 3/4, that would be 7 3/8. The board I'm working with is 3 1/2. We have to go 1 3/4 to get the edge. This is the edge of my board right there, and that's what we need. I should cut 1 more 6-footer. Told you. Put a line right here so I remember right where it goes. That line that I put on the 2x4 is right here, and that's where I'm going to place this board here with a spacer. I'll clamp it together and screw it together. The clamp holds it tight so that when I screw it, there's no gaps. You know? I have long screws and I don't want to waste any. It'll make this thing stronger. I'm not trying to break this thing like my other targets. The weakest point is going to be at the base, at the bottom. You just need a small block. This thing is about 6 inches, and we'll put it at the top where the dummy's head will be. We want the top of it to be lightweight and the bottom to be heavy, so it's not too easy to knock over. But of course, we want to knock it over. Human head's about, say, 10 inches. Neck, 5 inches. 15. There's the shoulders. Shoulder Regular human is probably, I'm not a regular human. Let's just go with 1'6". Bit of an angle on there. Find out what this angle is. Find out by pivoting, holding, and boom. I can put a mark right there. Same angle. There's 1'6" right there. The pivot point. Just copy that angle. That's how you do that. Took all the math out of it. It just marks my speed square. Copy that angle here. Put another mark. You don't have to put that angle. It's a little artistic flair. That's all. A little higher. There you go. That's the shoulders. Transfer the line. Alright, now we kind of went like a torso here, right? Let's think. My torso is like this, but we want to go on an angle. So let's do two 2-footers. Not gonna go crazy with screws. All that does is make it heavier. Let's attach the base. Still have my line there, see it? The ground it's sitting on might not be level, so it doesn't really make sense to use a level, but I just want to get this thing as best as I can. I think I want the bottom a little bit heavier than the top, so it's not too top heavy. I'll add some weight down here by adding brackets. Well, I'll just make it 12.5. I got these little plates. I bought a bunch of them at the dollar store. I bought 4 of these for $1. Came with screws. Alright, so we're done building it, but we want to put some padding on there. Got this ripped up jacket, and I got this ripped up old raggedy jacket. Either just wrap it in cardboard or because it looks like weird to me. When I do the tape, I'm gonna make like target lines. I think it'll look better this way. It'll be a little more springy for a punch or a kick. All right, let's go test it out. All right, guys, let's do this. Let's test out our new practice dummy, Bob training bag, practice dummy, whatever. We're gonna use it for the bow staff, and it's gonna be awesome. Pretty good. I like it. Ooh. I should put more padding on it though. I hurt my wrist.
My wrist. The wrist seems to be very weak.
I think eventually I'm gonna put some kind of padding over it. Plastic wrap will probably get all messed up after a while. You know what I'm saying? That's why I saved a little bit of plastic wrap. Carlors wins. Check it out, guys. These are the nunchucks I built in the other video. I put this back in, made sure I gave it a long time, like days, weeks, before the adhesive can dry in there. because the glue, I think it's trapped inside, just like in a glue bottle. And what happens inside a glue bottle, it stays wet. So that's what I did, but I taped it real good, and now I'm using them. Got rid of the 7-link chain. Now I just have 4 quick links right there. You do all the same tricks with these as with the other ones. But these ones here have the ball bearing. So Carlor has to hold back a little bit when using the practice dummy because he could send it into the air at Mach 7. The sound alone would blow your mind. And then there's this one. I'm enjoying the Century Bob, but I think I need to do something about the plastic wrap. Get it like a stronger kind of wrap for it, or more padding. Carlor has been a bow staff warrior for centuries now, and he's been battling all sorts of evil enemies. But there's a secret to his past, the lore of Carlor that we don't know yet. Is he an American cowboy? Is he a Shaolin warrior? Is he a ninja from the future? What is he? We don't know. Are these just myths? Is it all just legend? I can't tell you all of Carlor's secrets. Did I forget to mention that Carlor has the firepower? Yes, Carlor has firepower. Carlor knows how important it is to keep his power levels up, so he has to practice fire staff once a night. I do like the Century Bob training practice dummy, but I just couldn't resist. I had to hit it with the fire staff. It's gone now. Nobody survives a fire staff attack. So as it turns out, I'm not from the past. I'm from the future. I'm from the year 3176, and I know what it's like in the future. Okay, enough of that Carlor craziness. No one talks to Carlor like that. Guys, thanks for watching the video. If you made it this far,
Thank you.
please hit subscribe if you're not already.
Oh, not this again.
Smash the bell for alerts, and like the video. Please like the video if you like it. But thanks for watching, guys and gals.